Hi all, JV here again from InfoHut with today's quick guide on how to change the background color on your stories on Instagram. Please like, please subscribe, as I always have friendly tips like this trying to give you the latest and greatest on what's happening. So let's get started. Now first of all, what we need to do is just open our Instagram, and when we've got it open, you'll see that at the top left we got your story. Now with that, what we do is we actually just take a random photo, so we don't need to worry, the photo won't show. So we just take a random photo like that, and then at the top right you'll see this pencil, and we make sure that the far left is selected, and we select the color at the bottom. There's many different colors, so I will pick on this occasion green, and then we just simply, on anywhere in the screen, we tap and hold, keep holding until it changes color. So then you press done and you're simply there with that solid color.